Good morning! Pupunta po tayo ngayon sa Ormoc City! Nandun po si Baby Nitro.
City, we're gonna see some dinosaurs.
Nakikita ni Nitro yung mga dinosaurs! Yay! Are you excited? What? No, not Christmas dinosaur. And enjoy po tayo!
They got T-Rex and they got Triceratops and Brachiosaurus.
Wow! Are you excited? Yes! Let's go! Dito na tayo. Haller. Nitro. Still sleeping. Thank you to Lola Tata for his outfit. Tingnan niyo naman, diba? Social. Pati ang bag niya. Thank you Lola Tata. Pati ang shoes niya. Pati ito. Si Dwaine yung shirt niya. Yes. Hindi po ako magmamakdo kasi nag-workout po ako. Sayang naman yung workout ko.
Hello.
Nitro! Hello! Nitro, your hash brown is here. Bye-bye! Nitro, you got hash brown!
Yay!
You... What? Huh? Oh, you're not hungry? Okay, you can eat it later. They had oatmeal, that's why it's not hungry. You've got your hash brown, but it's still hot. Good morning, baby Nitro. We're gonna go see the dinosaurs soon. We're almost there. Look Ayan, nandito na po tayo. Baba tayo. Let's go. Oh no, kakain muna sila.
Yeah, well, mall's not open yet. It's
oo.
still only
Ano?
9:30.
9:30 pa lang. Kain tayo. Sila pala. Ayan, nasa loob na tayo sa mall.
Oh, we're gonna see the dinosaurs.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Apa. Go Nitro, go, go, go! Excited siya. Hi Nitro. Amoy ni... Nitro, look!
To Jurassic Park.
Nitro. May buntag.
Want me a ticket?
Yes!
Go.
For us. Oh, let's go inside now for a look.
Na-amazing. Yeah.
I want to go to that one.
Okay, go to that one.
What's that?
T-Rex.
What is it, Nitro? I don't know. What's that?
T-Rex.
Oh. Oh, I don't think you can.
What's that? The Stegosaurus.
Is it real?
The real, I don't think it's real, but yeah, I think it's real.
Brontosaurus. Look. What is it? It's a Triceratops. Can you read it, please, for mommy? Oh, they got him. Look at his sharp teeth.
You can look inside. Look inside that one. Look, can you see? Dinosaur in there? Is there a dinosaur in there?
Oh, there's a toy dinosaur.
There's a dinosaur in there. Oh, really?
Can you go there?
I don't know. Can you? Can I look inside?
Yes, look there. Look there.
What's inside? What was that?
Did they move?
Maybe.
Daddy, what was that?
I don't know what that was, buddy.
It moved like.
Whoa. Oh, it's the microphone
Like.
for a book.
Can we
Take it from
read
here.
it?
I think we can. Oh, it looks like it's broken. I think we got dinosaur books at home. We got lots of dinosaur books at home we forgot about. We should get them out.
Yeah, you've got a
Look at
book
them all.
at home.
Yeah, we should finish the stickers on the dinosaur book at home. Who is that one? I don't know whose that one is. Alright, we're gonna have a listen to that guy. So speak in the microphone.
Are they real?
Oh, they're gonna move soon, so we'll see if they're real. We'll see if they wake up. Are they gonna get us?
Yes.
No,
I
they-
think.
the raptor won't get us because he's locked up. He's
Yeah.
in the jail.
Do you see he's closing his eyes?
Yeah, and then he'll move on.
Wake up.
Okay, good morning everyone. Before we start, we'll be going to do the hosting now, but maybe 5 minutes, no? Before 5 minutes, we'll be going to start the program again 5 minutes.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Where are you, Nitro?
I'm on the dinosaur.
Wow.
Answer moment, please. Please answer moment. Okay.
Can he get the chain up?
I think so.
He's trying to escape, Nitro. Oh, that's so scary.
He wants to eat people. That one.
What kind of T-Rex is
That
it?
one.
T-Rex? What kind of dinosaur is it? What's it called?
T-Rex.
Here we go, Nitro. We're gonna feed the dinosaur. That's in there, look. He's moving. He's moving. He's gonna get ya. Now he wants to eat. We have to feed him some leaves. You want to get a leaf? Yeah. Okay, get that one. There you go. Let me pick you up. Let me pick you up so you can reach, okay? Here we go. Okay, ready? Whoa. Get it. Yes. Here we go, Nitro. That's it. He does, look, he wants it, Look, it's open. He don't want it. Yeah, you got him. Very good, buddy. You did it. Put the leaf down. Chuck it down on the floor. There you go. He's all finished. He's all done, is he? Is he full?
Yeah, but he's
Yeah.
want to eat people.
The T-Rex wants to eat people? Let's go down the stairs.
Come on, go to daddy, go to daddy.
Happy Halloween for everybody. Thank you so much.
You are so familiar.
Ah, naka-live yan. I'll hold it for you.
Fill up. Dump truck too.
Oh, it's broken.
Find some gold.
Oh no, Dino Book.
What? It's broken.
No, it's not.
See, look. This
What is it? What is it, Nitro?
There's a volcano.
Oh, volcano, yeah.
I think I found something here.
Oh, yeah. Nitro, I think there's something here. Oh, what's that?
Find the bones. Find the bones.
Find the bones. Find the bones.
This it looks like. Oh, this looks like.
Oh, yeah, like your car.
But
Nitro, did you have fun? Yeah, you had lots of fun? So much fun here, hey, yeah. Elementary schools are gonna come here. Indot kayo diri pa sa Ormoc, Robinsons. Yay! Enjoy kayo mga bata diri. I-invite kami sa Robinsons diri sa grand opening. They open tomorrow, January 19. Hangtod February 10 ata or 20? February 10 siguro. So come on, check it out. Check out the dinosaurs. Yay!
I saw his eyes move.
You saw his eyes move? Wow! Did ya? Alright guys, salamat kayo sa paglantaw sa aming vlog. See you in the next video.